Which is better? Olaplex, K18, are they actually the same? Are they different? Let's talk about it.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
As I was editing, I realized that my eyelash was clearly trying to come off. It's a very humbling experience, but just please ignore it and just keep watching. Thanks.
What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about K18 versus Olaplex. First of all, let's talk about what Olaplex is and what K18 is, right? So I have my Olaplex number 3 on hand. If you don't know what Olaplex is, this is what one of the products look like. Yes, one of them, because they have like maybe 10 or 11 different products. So this one specifically, the number 3, is a pre-shampoo hair treatment that reduces breakage and split ends for visibly healthy hair, okay? For visibly healthy hair. Olaplex bond building treatment is proven to relink broken bonds damaged by chemical services, heat, and styling. Okay, it's for all hair types. This one specifically is this is a 3.3 fluid ounce and it is $30. I have videos. I have, I think, a shorts here and a tutorial here just outlining how to use Olaplex, but it is recommended to use the number 0 and the number 3 just for best practices. But I use 0, 3, 4, which is a shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, number 5, which is a conditioner, and number 8, which is a moisture mask. Now K18, if you don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. I have the smaller version. I have the 0.5 ounce, which is $29. So right off the bat, obviously, this is 3.3 fluid ounces and it's $29, and then this is much smaller at the same price, $29. Okay, we're gonna talk about this. We'll talk about it. Now, K18, it says it's a leave-in treatment mask for all hair types that clinically reverses damage in 4 minutes. This patented peptide technology works to repair damage from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat, restoring strength, softness, smoothness, and bounce to hair. So I can safely say that K18 and Olaplex are not the same thing. You cannot use one or the other. I would recommend using both. And I will tell you how at the end of the video, how I will plan on incorporating these 2 products into my routine. But the first thing you need to know is that they're not the same. Olaplex is more of a preventative system. It's a bonding treatment and it's to prevent damage. This is not to use if damage already happened. It's a preventative system. K18 is used for when damage has already occurred. This is to help reverse any damage. This is a molecule repair hair mask. It gets deeper into that damage to help repair it. So again, you would use Olaplex to prevent the damage and K18 if the damage has already occurred. Like I mentioned in a couple of my videos, the way that I used Olaplex is by its number system, right? So I would use 0 and 3 before shampooing my hair. I would use number 4 shampoo, number 5 conditioner, and depending on the day, I would use number 8, which is their hair mask. As you can see, that's how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to 5 products on a given wash day to prevent damage, right? That's a lot of products, and that's a lot of money. They're each about $30 each, so that quickly adds up. So Olaplex, in that sense, is costly, right? There's too many steps in that sense. So Olaplex is a lot to do. The only good thing about Olaplex, I will say, is that it's easy to fit into my routine because these will be the products that I use for any given wash day. I don't have to think too much about it. If I want to wash my hair, it will be all Olaplex products. And a lot of people misuse Olaplex because of the directions, and then that's when they're suing Olaplex, like happening right now, because they're using it incorrectly or too often, okay? So for Olaplex, for me, especially since I'm color treated and kind of a heat trained natural, I have a video on that if you want to hear about that. I use Olaplex every other wash day just to get the benefits of the products. K18 is also pricey, right? So this is the smaller of the size. The bigger size of K18 at 1.7 fluid ounces is $75, okay? $75. So this is the second bottle of K18. This is new. I've already used the smaller version and I only got about 4-ish uses out of it. So con of K18 is, 1, it's pricey for the size, for one. It requires commitment, so you have to use this for about 4 to 6 washes to really see the results. At this small amount, depending on the density and the length of your hair, you're probably not going to even get 4. I was lucky enough to get 4/5-ish because the damage was mostly just in the front. So I was catering to the front more so my whole head. So you just got to keep that in mind, is that in order to see the optimal results in this, you have to probably get the big one. But then when you're trying something new, you're like, girl, I'm not getting no big one. I don't know if it even works yet. So you're going to have to probably just like pay attention to how much you're using and how often. And it is 4 to 6 consecutive washes too. So that kind of disturbs your hair routine, right? This is not easily incorporated into your hair routine because, one, and I'll tell you how I got around this. The directions say that you cannot deep condition or condition when using this product. You're supposed to shampoo your hair, preferably clarify your hair. They do have an additional product that you use with this. With this product, it's a shampoo. I didn't buy no K18 shampoo because look, all these shampoos are starting to look the same, okay? But I guess buy it if you want to. So you shampoo your hair, towel dry, then apply this product. You leave it on for 4 minutes. You cannot condition. I used this for 3 wash days the way that it instructed. And my hair was so dry because after you leave it on for 4 minutes, which is all this product needs, I didn't deep condition. So my hair is super dry and I'm going straight to styling. And I was like, this product ain't doing nothing. It did make my hair more manageable, but because I wasn't able to deep condition, my hair felt dry. I'm just like, what the hell? It felt dry. So one of my, I think she's a subscriber, I'm not sure, but either way, someone that commented on a video of mine mentioned someone else to watch. She used K18 and she reached out to their rep asking like, hey, can I deep condition after this product or whatever? And they said yes. So after having K18 on your hair for 4 minutes, it only needs 4 minutes, right? To get all it needs to do on your damaged hair. You can deep condition after. I was like, I could deep condition after. Game changer. So that is what I did on the 4th/5th time of using this product. And that definitely changed my hair. I recommend, if you do want to incorporate K18 into your routine, it's not going to completely ruin your routine like I thought it did based off of the instructions. So you will shampoo your hair as normal. Towel dry, use this product, leave it on for 4 minutes, then deep condition. Yes, it's a little bit of a hassle that way. Deep condition, and then, you know, go about your wash day. Since doing it that way, it's been a game changer for me. I can't really say that I'm seeing the results of this. I think Olaplex, I'm able to see results more effectively. And maybe because it's 5 million steps and Olaplex, but I do feel like my hair feels stronger and healthier. Again, it's because it's a preventative system. While K18, it's already repairing damage that already exists. So I may not be seeing if it's working or not, but the way that I plan on incorporating both Olaplex and K18 into my hair routine is that I will be using number 0 and 3 of Olaplex to start my wash day. I'm going to shampoo with number 4 Olaplex. Because remember, these are not conditioning products. These are pre-treatment products. And then, after towel drying, I'm going to use the K18, leave it on for 4 minutes. And then if I'm feeling fancy, I guess I can continue with number 5 or number 8 of Olaplex. It depends on the moment. Or just like rounding it off with a basic moisturizing deep conditioner. Going underneath the hairdryer. I did this the other day, and y'all, it was a game changer. So yes. If you already have damage, you need K18. If you want to prevent damage, you need Olaplex. If you want to just be as healthy as you can be, girl, do both. It is pricey, so I know you're probably thinking, okay, sis, which one do I really need? I'm not about to buy both, K18 and Olaplex, and that's totally fine. I will say, if you had to choose, it depends on the state of your hair, right? If your hair is already healthy, use Olaplex. If you can get away with just using a couple of the products of Olaplex, get number 0 and number 3. If your hair is damaged, meaning you color treat it, you flat iron it normally, or you heat style it normal, or you're just experiencing breakage overall, then pick up K18 as well. I would say number 0, number 3 for Olaplex and K18. If you really are just like, sis, I only want to try one. If your hair is damaged, go to K18 and use that. Okay? So I hope this video was helpful in establishing, okay, what is really the deal with Olaplex versus K18. Now you know they're not the same. They actually work together. And it depends on the health and status of your hair to determine how to use it. So again, I already told you how I plan on incorporating these products into my hair routine. I will be keeping up with showing you guys how my hair is and how healthy it is. Leave a comment below. Do you plan on incorporating Olaplex or K18 into your hair routine? I would love to know your thoughts. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.